Welcome to my YouTube channel. Almost I wonder what kind of boring you guys this. It's like almost 7 o'clock in the night. I think it's about 7 in the night right now. Today is Friday. I am exhausted. I had my niece over and her cousin that was gonna get their hair done for back to school. So they just got me this and I'm testing it out. We're gonna be testing it out together. I officially start working Sunday. See, my head gone Monday. Look at my head, people. I look homeless. I'm gonna fix my. I'm just gonna be testing the straightener on this here to see how it do. And I'm gonna go shower. Let's see if I can look like somebody's child because I don't know why I look like this. Me look homeless. I'm not like that. Me not even take the time out for putting it up on nothing. Me just having to catch this up on the place and hold on, let me put it a little higher. Let's see if that little better. Yes, that little bit better. Yes, guys. So this is the new straightener. It's a 7 Magic hair straightener. Got it off of Amazon. Not me, him. Because I needed one. Also, there's a hot comb that's supposed to arrive tonight too. Because my other stuff they stopped working and I needed stuff to install my wigs. So I'm gonna be taking my wig stuff, installation stuff more seriously. So oh, it came with this glove as well, and it came in this box. Guys, I can't see, so I am so tired. I am so out of it. I did those 2 kids here today and I didn't even do any recording. I was just so tired. Yeah, so I got to see what one episode we get. I want to take off the wig, you know. This but I go take it off and install a different one. But if the straightener does the job, I might leave it on for at least another week. It hasn't been on a week as yet though. But yeah, I might do that if let's see how good this straightener is. If this straightener is good, I might just leave it on and just straighten it. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I might just do that and straighten it instead. So let's see. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. Oh, holy shit. This is so hot. It's like it's about to burn the freaking hair. I'm gonna have to turn this down. Yeah, it's too hot. Bombat. No man. Hey bud. Hey bud, people. Bud. Hey man. Eight. I left the other comb. I have the comb outside. Let me go get the tail comb. Guys, this is the end result of the flat iron. Bam. Top tier. It's giving silk press vibes though. Because I had used the what do you call this? I used this first and then I flat ironed it. That blow dryer. So yeah. And then I flat ironed it. The hair quality is not so shot, you know, because I had that wig a long time. It kinda doing time now. So it did a good job on it. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know, I might end up wearing this wig to work for the rest of the week, and then I install the other wig next week. I don't know as yet. When the hot comb comes, I'm gonna flatten this down a bit more, and we'll see how it looks, if we're gonna wear it or not. But anyways, I'm gonna go shower. So we'll see you later. Good morning, guys. See, take it up on my next today. Say, me I go beard. Give me about beard. Me I go walk. If you never know how far me from my house, Day is actually on his way. We're going to the supermarket, but I decided that I want to walk to meet him. So he like about 10 minutes away. No, but I wanted to walk. The hell am I saying? I'm getting tongue tied, guys. I wanted to walk to see how far I could go today. I've walked in the area before. I've never come this far though. So I'm now walking in my yard because why I can't live in the area I'm now walk there. I just feel big and what this. And it's not like I don't know around the area where I live. I know where I live. So I'm not lost. So I need to just walk. And today is not that hot, so I decided that I'm gonna walk, and here I am walking. Yeah, I'm walking. Guys, I just finished showering and washing my hair. It's growing back. But why is it up in the air like that? Is it why is it up in the air like this though? Is this static electricity or what? Anyways, I'm telling you something. I'm going to the joke about what happened today. So today, took myself going to the bathroom this morning, so I make a bed and wash my hair. Going to the bathroom, people, turn on the shower, and I need there. Why am I not there? I make my ear wet. I'm there, and my hair is getting wet underneath the shower, guys. And tell me why I'm there putting the shampoos in my hand, about to put the shampoo in my hair. We know what to stop. Tell me why. What? What? A YouTube video? Like, really, bro? You are so damn rude. It's not even funny. You know I can't post that, right? I'm gonna have to delete that shit.
I know. Brought to you by Rain, his nephew.
Me not advertising on Rain, never Rain, baby. Pay me for so try to put that down. But brought to you by. Anyways, guys, as I was saying, about to go put the shampoo in my hair. When me look the water like off, I'm like, what the hell is going on here? So I put on my robe and go outside to see what I go on. The people them know bust up the pipe. Bust up the pipe. When I looked, it was like 4 other neighbors out on the balcony in their robe, soaking wet, saying that they were in the shower and the water stopped on them. I'm like, okay, me feel better now because it's just not me. It wasn't me alone. Here, wet up in the people, water dripping down me, everything, you know. Water gone. Water never come back till. And that was like around after 11 this morning. It's now, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Alexa, what time is it? Okay, so Alexa says it's 7:25. The water didn't come back until like around 4. No, after 3. Like around after 3. So if the whole day, me can't be at people. I never see something slack here. Ain't the big foreign. I never see something slack, so never. But anyways, I finally got to wash my hair. And it's growing back and I love it. Oh my god, I'm never cutting my hair again. This time I mean it, guys. So guys, I was saying I was gonna put I was gonna install a wig because I officially start working Monday. And I need a bump to take himself now. Monday morning can't find me with this big bump in my head, you know. So as I was saying, I started working Monday and I was contemplating putting on another wig. I have a new wig that I have to install to make content, but I just feel like my hair needs a break. It just needs time to breathe. So I might just do a ponytail. I don't know. I'm just coming up from under wigs back up behind each other. And I just can't bother to put another wig on my head right now. I don't know, people. I don't know. My hair is growing back and I just, after me constantly cutting it every second and stuff like that, and I just really want my hair to go back to its true length that it was before I used to mess with it. And I don't want to be putting wigs on my hair 24/7. It is damaging my hairline. You guys can see? So I'm trying to like do breaks in between. Plus, to be honest too, you know, I'm lazy to cornrow this thing. I am so lazy to go ahead and have to cornrow my hair. The more my hair grows, the lazier I'm going to get. I can guarantee you that. When I was younger, back in high school and stuff like that, everybody who know me back in high school can tell you, I had only one hairstyle. One. I either cut it up in the top and have a dumpling. That was it. Or put it to the back and have a dumpling, because my hair was too long for me to manage. I couldn't bother. Until I went and I relaxed it, and I had such a nice long ponytail at the back. Everybody who know me know me here. And when I cut it, the first time I cut it when I was in high school, persons were so upset with me, like, oh, why you cut it here, da da da. And I got upset. I'm like, are your hair or mine? Is it your hair? Is it my hair? No. Yeah, it's from there. I knew I was gonna be obsessed with the scissors, you know, because I just love short hair, but the man don't want that. So the man don't want no short hair. He says he's not dating no man. He don't want no short hair person. So I gotta. But overall, I missed my hair, to be honest. I missed my hair, so I'm so happy that it's growing back right now. Go on, I eat. That grow back. I don't know if it's just me, but when my hair was at its true correct length, I don't know why I keep getting tongue tied, bro. My head is just all over the place. I used to always have my hair in my mouth chewing when I was back in high school. It was just this obsession, because my mom used to, if it's not me catching up my hair in one, my mom would do it in plaits. Just plait up the whole eye, and then I just catch up it with the plait up, and then sometimes I have it in my mouth like this the entire day, biting up my hair. So that's what I normally used to see, how long my hair is getting, if it can reach back in my mouth. Basically. So yeah, it's growing back, and I am happy about that. But my edges, guys, my edges, the wigs, my edges. And I haven't been using any growth oil or anything on my hair. I plan on making a Ayurvedic oil, hair growth oil. I'm supposed to stop at one of these Indian stores and get some of the stuff to make the I hope I pronounced the word correctly, to make the oil. So I might just wear my natural hair. I don't know yet. Might put on a ponytail to the back of it. Who knows? But for now. But anyways, guys, give me. Must me there so we don't remember some have clothes in a laundry in a dryer. Let me go take out the clothes out of the dryer them answer before people go in there go take out my things them. I'm come, I could go to my washroom. I'm gonna take out my things them out of the dryer. Okay, let's go, guys.
You are so fucking funny. You are
It's sexy.
so goddamn it for being so funny. Oh my god.
Let's go see if they're ready. Okay, so we still have 12 minutes left on the dryer. 12 minutes. All right. We still have 12 minutes left on it.
If your body is aching with pain and your heart you can't regain, just turn it over to the Lord. He will heal you. I know that He will. It doesn't matter how long it takes. God will heal you if you wait. Say, teach me, Lord, how to wait.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So I decided I'm going to install the wig. These are some of the worst corners I've ever done in my own hair, but my hands are tired. I'm just over this at this point. I decided to install the wig because I don't know. I just decided to install the wig. I remember I was saying I was gonna wear my natural hair, but I'm just too lazy to take my ass up and go to the store to get products so that I can do a nice sleek ponytail on my own hair. So I decided that, guess what, since I can't do that, I am just going to install the damn wig. So I had ordered the pack of glue on Amazon, and it is here. So do not laugh after my crooked corners, because I know the back of it don't part properly. But hey, I'm doing it myself, and it's not like anybody's going to see it. It's gonna be under the wig, so it's gotta do what it's gotta do. So these are the stuff. Dula here. So this is the lace glue. This is the lace glue remover. This is the wax stick, and then it came with this headband and this little edge control. Yeah, we're gonna see how it do, cause yeah. So I'm just gonna finish getting my hair cornrowed, and then I'm gonna install the wig. But guys, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you guys are having a blessed Sunday. I wanted to go to church today, but unfortunately my ride has to work today, which is Bay. So he left this morning like around 3 a.m. ish. Yeah. So I was not able to go to church today. Yeah. It is like about 20 minutes walk, but not in the Sonia into this place here. I'm sorry.
Motion detected at the front door.
Yeah, not in the sun. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna walk. No, this is Sonia. I'm sorry. It not happen. So yeah, he's home. I just heard his car. He is home. So yeah, guys, I'm just installing this wig. I got up, did some cleaning, folding some clothes, taking out the clothes. Yeah, it's him. Taking out the clothes that I need to wear to work this week and trying to organize stuff. And now I am, as I also did laundry last night, as you saw. So I am just gonna install the wig, and then after I install this wig, I'm going to finish folding up those clothes too, and then I'm gonna iron the stuff that I have to wear to work this week, organize whatever it is that I want to put in my bag to bring to work, and I'm gonna organize the food. Bay had cooked last night. He cooked steamed fish with some mussels as well, corn, vegetable, was broccoli or cauliflower. He also made Haitian black rice. He seasoned some lamb for me and some chicken. He seasoned some wings, and so he's gonna jerk the wings. I wanted chicken foot, so I saw chicken foot, and if you guys know, you know I love chicken foot. I was gonna do curry chicken foot, but because he's gonna do curry lamb, I said okay, then brown stew chicken foot. And there's also a leg quarter that he's gonna cook as well. I think he's gonna fry that. I'm not sure if he's gonna do that, but yeah. So it's basically we're gonna be doing some meal preps for the week.
Motion detected at the front door.
Because you know, since I'm gonna be starting to work tomorrow, officially I'm gonna start working tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be able to, like, you know, get up in the mornings and cook stuff for him every morning like I used to do. So basically everything has to be prepped from early so that both of us can just get up in the morning, grab our food, and go. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm doing, I'm trying to cornrow the ends of the hair into the bottom of the other cornrow, and yeah, because usually I would sew it, but I don't have any sewing needle or threads. Didn't get to buy any. Didn't even think of buying any. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm making sure everything is tucked into one each other. It don't look like a him. It's not him. He's not home. Don't forget me here to go so like him. Yeah. So I'm just gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna show you guys while I'm installing the wig, okay? So I'm finished, but I'm not gonna show you the back because I know the back looks like crap. So I'm not even gonna attempt to show you that. So I'm just basically gonna start on brushing my hair back, because I'm not gonna show you the back of this. I know the back of this looks like this look hella crazy. Yeah, and I'm not about to do that. I'm sorry. Because as I mentioned, I'm doing 3 layers because I want it to serve me at work, for work, so I don't have to be getting every minute to be wasting time to be reinstalling it every second. I don't have time for that, to be touching up anything. So I'm making sure that I use 3 layers so that it stays in place, because even though inside I gotta have AC, it's summer and the place is extremely hot. It is hot as shit, so I'm gonna be just ensuring that this thing ain't going nowhere. Let me push this back a bit because this thing is getting in the air.
Springs. It'll be in effect until August 11th, 6 p.m. EDT.
Thank you, Alexa. First of all, guys, this lace is good. For your Amazon wig, the lace I go on with itself because look here, I'm gonna melt it yet. Can you imagine that? Then what happened when the lace melted? I don't like, you know.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, hot faucet running. I keep looking at you. Stop going for me, stuck in zone. You know that I wrote you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, hot faucet running. I keep.
Hey guys, so I went to the kitchen to get more food in the microwave in the meantime while this thing melts. And I bought some hogberry. For those who are in Jamaica, we call it hogberry. It's called Nancy over here and in some other Caribbean islands. So damn, this shit is tight. Yeah, but me don't know. This not taste like the Jamaican one. It's too sweet, bro. I don't know what them do to it. This not taste like it. This tastes like them do something to it. Me not tell you. It genuinely tastes like them do something to it. It not taste like the Jamaican one. Not at all. I like it. And I love hogberry. But anyways, let's take this thing off. That shit did a squeeze up my life. I can't take it by my head no more. I'm wondering if I should do my regular side part or I should stick with the center part because I don't know. So guys, as you can see, I finished it here. I decided to do a side parts instead, and then I made these small edges because why not? Yeah, I'm actually gonna be going on the road in a bit. So yeah, I'm not showing you yesterday because it hasn't been zipped yet. I need to ask they to zip it up for me, but this is the hair, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Yeah, I'm ready for work now. Yeah, and I'm loving this hair so much. But anyways, guys, I will link you guys when I am at our friend's house. So we're going by a friend's house, and I'll link you when I'm there. So see you guys in a bit. I'm so sorry. I reached and I forgot to tell you guys that I reached. Like, how long have I been here now, babe? 2 hours?
Here?
Yeah.
Hour?
An hour. We've been here like an hour, and I totally forgot to tell you guys. People outside at bad, yeah, burn up. Why the place have at so? Jeez, it's Christmas. I literally cannot wait for December, November season.
What you doing?
I am burning up. But yeah,
You home?
we're just here chilling. Not doing anything, just having a conversation.
Ricky
But
S.
I wanted to update you guys because I don't want to do some additional.
Oh.
Let me show you my outfit. Can you guys see me? Oh no, you guys are not seeing me properly. Let me see if I can fix you guys better so you can see me. Hold on. Yeah. This is it. This is the outfit. I did not put on any. I didn't realize that I had on the wrong slipper until I got in the vehicle and I decided I was not coming out. I was not coming out. I'm sorry. Yeah. So yeah, I felt like looking girly today. I made my little girly feel girly era today. So the agenda for tomorrow is work. Cameras are not allowed, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog inside. But I'll try vlogging on my way to work if I'm not too tired. And when I'm coming back home, I'm gonna be trying to make content for you guys because you know I love you guys so much. I'm in the for out, so I'm gonna do what I can do. He's fixing a car. Well, his other car. You want to say hi to YouTube or no? He doesn't feel like saying hi. He's tired. Yeah. My man works really hard, so he's tired. All right, baby?
Yeah, I'm jacking off.
Stop that! You always say some rude things. Why? Yeah, jack up the car, not jacking off.
I'm jacking off.
Just shut up, please. You always have to come say some
So
rude
guys,
stuff.
what ended up happening here, I ended up taking the wig off.
But anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to go because there's music playing, and you know I don't want to get copyright. So like
my forehead. So I ended up removing the wig completely and reinstalling off camera. And yeah.
Hey guys, so I just got home like about 20 minutes ago or 10, yeah, about 10 minutes ago. I am currently about to prep our lunch for tomorrow because we are getting up super duper early for work. And as I mentioned, he worked today, so basically he worked 7 days this week. He's gonna be extremely tired, so I don't want to be getting up tomorrow to be prepping anything. Just wanna at least have him sleep in a bit longer than usual. We're gonna have to get up earlier than normal. He has to get in earlier tomorrow actually. So I'm basically just gonna do everything tonight, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to listen to baby tomorrow. The only thing that we're gonna get up tomorrow and probably do is make some sandwiches for breakfast and to snack on at break time, because I like to snack on break time. And why not snack on a sandwich than a snack? So yeah. Oh yeah, that is that. I'm talking to YouTube in case you're wondering.
Carrot, celery, onion.
What?
Instead of tuna.
I'm not making a sandwich now.
No, I was saying, well, you can pre-mix it now.
You want to make it? I've never made it with a celery. I don't know what to do.
Alright, so just chop up the celery into small pieces, like those small cubes.
Yeah.
And then we'll dice it up. And dice up the onion too.
And
You want to dice up a little small scratch to put in there.
okay, so onion, celery, scotchy. What else? That's it. And mayo.
Yeah, I'll do the mayo and stuff.
So just cut it up.
Yeah, just cut it up and drain out the water of the tuna.
Okay.
Like 4 cans.
Okay.
4 or 5 cans.
Okay. No problem.
Like 2 sticks of celery and half an onion.
Huh?
2 sticks of celery and half an onion.
So basically just do that and put it in the fridge and you'll deal with the mayo and everything tomorrow?
No, I'm gonna deal with it tonight.
Okay. Come together,
That way I
sleep.
can just season it and let it set.
Okay, baby.
If you do it like that, then do it early in the morning, it don't hold the flavor in the mayonnaise.
Okay. Alright, bitch. Again. Scotch bunny paper. So yeah, that's that. As I mentioned, he made Haitian rice and Haitian black rice. Has some shrimp in it too. And fish. Hope you guys are seeing. Finish here, I'm showing. Let me just finish this one.
So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video because yeah, this is where it ends. Heading to my bed right now. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Let me just say thank you to my new subscribers for joining the family. Welcome. I hope you guys stay. I hope you enjoy. I hope we get to know each other. And do not hesitate to give me any tips, any critiques here and there, so I can, make things better for both of us. And do not hesitate to comment. I'm not scared to interact with you guys, so don't be scared to interact with me. Like, comment, share, subscribe to those who haven't subscribed as yet, and thank you so much to the persons that have been here with me from the very start. My love. So till me, I got my bed, me tired later.